like they run cause I'm next. You so into night, so lately she just got you stressed. She got no finesse, she just get undressed. Yeah, put the honey in the...
Alrighty, so we're gonna start off with gelling our edges back so there's nothing in the way when we start spraying down our frontal. So I'm just taking some regular edge control and placing it on my edges and brushing my edges back so they can just stay out of the way and they do not get in the way of us placing our frontal. And I'm going to do that all around my hairline. This is the wig that I made from Monster Hair. I also custom colored this wig myself, and then I also attached an elastic band. So I'm just going to put the wig on and feel where my hairline should stop. So I'm just trying everything on and brushing everything back. You're going to see me put clips on my hair so nothing is in the way when I'm trying to spray down this frontal. See me doing now is I'm just cutting off my ear tabs. I just left some hair out and I measured where my ear actually begins, and I am cutting my frontal that way. I'm cutting my frontal upwards so we don't have any choppy pieces in our frontal once this piece is off. Now that the ear tabs are cut off, I'm just going to take my powder foundation from Maybelline and I'm going to put that all over my wig cap, and you're going to see me put that all over my lace as well for when we start to melt our lace and it can start looking like scalp.
Oh, this bitch gonna be a slap.
Got no racks.
So now we're getting to the star of the show, and I'm going to use my Bedhead Extra Firming Holding Spray that I got from Ulta. And I'm going to use this as a way to do my frontal. I am using the Bedhead in place of the Got To Be Glue Free Spray. and I like the Bedhead and I like the Got To Be Glued spray, but the Bedhead is just a little too shiny, but I love the hold. And then Got To Be is just too messy, so I would rather use the Bedhead over the Got To Be. But all I did was cut my lace into fours, and what I'm doing now is placing that hairspray at the middle of my forehead first, and then we're going to go around the frontal in small increments. After the 2 layers that I put on the middle of my forehead, I went ahead and placed my frontal on that hairspray, and this hairspray is really holding. It's a really nice hold spray, so I definitely would prefer this over the Got To Be Glued, only if it wasn't so shiny, but you can always get rid of that by wiping off that excess spray with alcohol. So I am just going in the middle of my frontal now just to secure that part, because I don't want that part lifting up. Earlier, we are now going around the frontal in small increments because I am using spray and I don't want any type of lumps or anything like that in my frontal. So I'm just going, piece by piece, taking my time so it can blend well into my scalp, because we are using this ash blonde hair and we don't want any type of lace issues when we're laying down this hair. So we are just about done gluing down the side of my frontal, and after everything is sprayed down, after everything is tacky and it's not moving, I'm going to take my wig brush and I'm just going to brush the frontal in and also brush any hairs that are sticking out of the frontal. I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did on the other side to this side of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and lay everything down, and then we're going to come back in the next clip. Now that everything is glued down, I'm just taking my brush and I'm just brushing through my hair. You're gonna see me flat iron my hair and just make sure this install is very, very secure. I really like the Bedhead spray. It really does hold. It really does hold. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is the shininess, but you can easily get rid of the shininess by using some alcohol. So I'm going to take my Edge Booster wax stick, and I am just going to put that on the top of the frontal to lay any flyaways or anything like that down. Then I'm going to brush through the wax stick just so it can be distributed all throughout my parting, especially the parting that is showing. And then I'm just going to continue with flat ironing my hair. Before I finish flat ironing the rest of my hair, I'm just going to take some of that powder that I used to camouflage my wig cap. I'm going to put that in my parting so it can look like natural scalp. Alrighty guys, so my hair is flat ironed, my hair is installed, and everything is done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Also, if you wanted to see how I colored this hair, the link will be in the description box, along with how I installed, well, how I made this wig. And of course, you guys are seeing the install now. So make sure you just check out the description box to watch those videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Oh, that bitch.